Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am at the Venetian Resort here in Las Vegas, but I have to stop for a second because this is video number 60 of our channel. So I just want to thank you for your continued support. And if this is your first time watching, my name is Luis. I am a travel vlogger and content creator. If you like all things Vegas and just travel in general, subscribe right now so that you can become a part of our community. All right, guys, I am all checked in and this place is massive. Over 7,000 guest rooms here at the Venetian, making it the largest hotel in America, which is very cool. It is in the heart of the Strip and it is one of the top luxury resorts here in Las Vegas. First impressions walking into the resort, just absolutely beautiful. The Venetian is a themed resort and it is inspired after Venice in the 1500s. So when you walk in, it's just very elegant, very classic, and the attention to detail is incredible. Another cool fact about the Venetian is that all the rooms here are actually luxury suites. I'm staying today in their standard room. It is 650 square feet, whereas the typical hotel room is 320, 350. So it's double that amount and it's just beautiful. Let's take a look. One of the cool things about this room is the sunken living room, where you actually have to take 2 steps down in order to get to the living room area, creating its own space with its own ambience. Here to the left is the sitting area. There is a desk over here. And then here to our right is the dining table. It's super nice. Guys, I'm confused now. I don't know if the coolest thing in the room is the sunken living room or that there is a TV in the bathroom. This room is absolutely beautiful. It's super clean, and something that I mentioned earlier about attention to detail repeats here in the room with the decoration, the cleanliness, the elevated amenities that are being offered. You definitely feel luxury in this room. In the closet, there are some other amenities, just kind of your typical safe, hangers, there are ropes here as well. And just in front of me, I'm going to turn around so you guys can see it, is what's new here at the Venetian. And you're gonna see it on your left is the sphere at the Venetian. And it is too bright outside right now to really appreciate it. So I'm looking forward to see it at night. I've always just seen it online. This is the first time I see it in person. Next time you come to the Venetian, if you wanna take a look overlooking the sphere, you have to ask for a mountain view room. If you get city view, you're gonna be overlooking the Strip. And now I'm getting a little bit hungry. There are over 40 restaurants and bars here at the Venetian. So I'm gonna go downstairs to check them out. Alright guys, I am at Juliet Cocktail Room. It's a new bar here at the Venetian. It actually opened last week. So let's talk about the drinks. Let's talk about the first one I had. I had a lemongrass cloud. That one is vodka, sweet vermouth, grapefruit, and then the smoke bubble on top of that is actually infused with lemongrass. So it's really nice. And then this one is the cherry treasure. It's gin, plum wine, rhubarb amaranth, cherry oak smoke. This one is a little bit stronger, kind of more, I guess, less on the sweet side than the previous one. I love sweet drinks, but it's still really good. It's Juliet here at the Venetian, and again, it's brand new, so if you're going to be coming to the Venetian, make sure to check it out. Dinner at Chica was so good, but you cannot end the day at the Venetian without some gelato. So with this, I say good night, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. Day number 2 here at the Venetian. This morning for breakfast, I ordered room service, which here at the Venetian they call in-suite dining. And this is one of the few hotels here in Las Vegas that still have kind of the old school room service where they come into your room, they make the table and kind of lay it out super nicely. So if you're looking for this kind of experience for a special occasion or you just want to splurge, then definitely the Venetian is a really good option. I had the stuffed French toast, coffee, just super excited to enjoy this breakfast, and then I'm gonna head downstairs to check out the rest of the resort. Alright guys, it's time to give you my final review about my experience here at the Venetian. And let's start with the room, which was incredible, super clean, elevated amenities. The sunken living room was just a really nice option to have in this room, just very spacious. So the room was just excellent. Restaurants and bars, I mean, this is a foodie dream here. There are over 40 restaurants and bars here. Unfortunately, I was only able to experience 2 during my overnight stay here. Juliet Cocktail Room, which opened just a week ago, and a dinner at Chica, which was really good. And then this morning I had room service, but honestly, it's just incredible. There is even a donut boutique that I saw this morning. And so you will have plenty of food here. There is also a food court. And so there are options for all different budgets. Everywhere you look, there is a place to eat, which is really nice to have that level of options. The pool complex is massive. It's very nicely decorated. It's very green. There is even a restaurant just right off the pool area. The fitness and spa area is really nice. There is even a separate cafe in the fitness area, which is 100% plant-based. There's even rock climbing. So there is so much to do in that area as well if you're very active and you like to work out during your vacation. The Grand Canal, more options for dining, restaurants, entertainment, and the gondolas, which I wanted it so much to try, but unfortunately just the time compressed and I didn't have enough time. But it's a very unique thing to do here in Las Vegas. So even if you're not visiting the Venetian, just come to the Grand Canal. The casino floor is massive. There is nightlife, entertainment, and let's not forget, one of the best spots for a picture here in Las Vegas is here at the Venetian. And just to close it up, my experience here at the Venetian was incredible. It is a 5-star resort here in Las Vegas, and I can see why. My only disappointment is not having a few more days so I can show you guys more. But if you're planning your own vacation here at the Venetian, give yourself a couple of days, at least 3 days, so you guys can enjoy everything that they have to offer. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you very soon.